The year has already begun. January is moving fast. And if you're still preparing, listen carefully. This is your moment. Every year, people talk about a fresh start. New year, new plans, new motivation. But most people don't want a new life. They want the same habits, with better results. Let me be honest with you. If nothing inside you changes, nothing outside will. A new calendar doesn't reset a broken routine. Real transformation doesn't happen while you're distracted, entertained, and constantly available. It happens in silence. It happens when you step away from the noise and rebuild yourself from the inside out. 90 days. That's all it takes to change your direction completely. Not magically, but deliberately. Disappear for 90 days and come back with standards so high, your old life can't survive anymore. This is the framework. Rule 1. Lock in. Discipline isn't about motivation. It's about removing exits. For the next 90 days, cut anything that numbs you. No cheap dopamine, no distractions pretending to be rest. And yes, your phone is the biggest enemy. Every single day follows the same structure. Wake up before 6. Train your body hard for 30 minutes. Sit in silence for 15. Then do one uncomfortable task that builds your future, your income, your skill, your edge. Miss a day? No drama, no excuses. Reset mentally. Continue forward. This isn't punishment. This is control. Rule 2. Simplify your goals. Ideas in your head mean nothing. Write everything down. Choose 10 goals for the year, then circle the 3 that would actually change your life if you achieve them. For the next 90 days, your life revolves around those 3. Break them into daily actions. Schedule them. Track them. Execute. Progress doesn't come from intensity. It comes from consistency. Rule 3. Create pressure. You can lie to yourself, but you won't lie to someone you respect. Pick one person. Make a promise you're afraid to break. Something real, something personal. Then create a simple checklist. Day 1 to day 90. Your most important daily actions. Tick the box or face the truth. By day 90, that checklist won't lie. Rule 4. Control your environment. If your discipline depends on motivation, you've already lost. Your surroundings are shaping you every second, so change them. No TV in the bedroom, no social apps on your phone, grayscale mode, phone out of reach while working. Your desk is for work, your bed is for sleep, nothing else. If your environment supports your old habits, your old self will always win. Rule 5. Survive the middle. The beginning feels exciting, the ending feels rewarding, but the middle is silent. Around day 40 to 50, motivation disappears. Results slow down. Nothing feels special. This is where most people quit, and this is where winners are built. Do the boring work, even when it doesn't feel meaningful. Especially then. 90 days. Wake up, focus, execute, tick the boxes. Discipline beats motivation. Every time. This video won't feel important right now, but if you follow through, in 90 days, you'll be proud you did. Start today.